check it out.
Check what out?
Yo, check this out.
Yo, microphone check 1 2. What is this?
And we're ready for sound check.
This is Massamba Intore, and this is my sound check. Gakondo music is more than just a sound. It's a powerful reminder of our roots and resilience. After the genocide, when words often fell short, the rhythms of Inanga and the calls of Intore help us in unity, unite us. I remember performing at a village commemoration when an elderly woman wept, saying, "Your voice brought my son home." In that moment, I realized that Gakondo music is not just entertainment for us, it's a source of healing and pride deeply intertwined with our history. Gakondo music is like a strong tree with deep roots and Rwandan soul. It's sacred and unshakable, but even the strongest tree needs to grow and reach for the sun. When I mentor younger artists like those who mentioned, I encourage them to honor the past but also innovate. I tell them not to just copy what came before. Instead, they should let the rhythms of the ancestor inspire their own unique beats. My advice is simple. Respect your roots, but also build upon them. Be modern and bold, but always stay connected to your heritage, which is the most important thing. In terms of struggle, music become more than just art. It's like armor. During the liberation, every word I sang carried weight, just like a soldier's step forward. It wasn't only about melody all the time. It was about moving hearts when hope some things felt distant. Plus, at that time, my weapon and contribution was my voice and talent that was born with. Even today, I believe music can still chant the words. It can help awaken and remind people of their incredible power. If your voice carries truth and purpose, then you are already part of the revolution. Being named Massamba is more than just a name. It reminds me that I was meant to stand for something greater. My father instilled a sense of freedom in my name, and music became the way I nurtured and expressed that idea. Growing up in a family of musicians, I didn't just learn songs. I learned about spirit and purpose. Collaborating with legends like Muyango, Cecily Kairebwa, Florida, Ismailo, Yusundu, and others showed me that music isn't just about sound. It's about the values and the beliefs behind the lyrics that truly make it impactful. Working with the Rwanda National Ballet is about much more than coaching movement. It's about guiding memory. Our mission is to protect the soul of Rwanda through dance, rhythm, and the storytelling. Every step, every drum, and every gesture we perform carries the voices of those who came before us. My role is to ensure that this voice is not only heard but also understood by young Rwandans searching for their identity and by the world eager to learn about us. Through our culture, we remind everyone that Rwanda is rising but also that Rwanda has roots that make us proud of who we are. Thank you.